everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. It's pretty cold in Brisbane at the moment, so I thought I would make a delicious hot soup for you all. This is my creamy butter bean soup. Now this recipe is really high in protein because we've got so many beautiful, lovely beans here. They're also really high in iron, so I've paired it with vegetables and lemon, which contain vitamin C. So vitamin C helps your body absorb iron, so this is just a perfect recipe for that. So I'm going to be using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i today. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. It is such a beautiful machine and it is so helpful with our pre-programmed settings on there. So this recipe is fully vegan, so I have a cup and a half of vegan massel stock. Then we're going to start with our lovely butter beans. So these are our protein pack, iron-rich, creamy beans. Next, I have a very full 400 mils of coconut cream. I'm gonna try and get that in without making it too messy. So this is really gonna cream up our soup. You can also use cashews if you prefer to keep it more raw. Next, I have a whole capsicum. So I'm gonna cut this one in half. I'm going to use everything, the stem, the seeds. You're not even gonna taste it. 3 beautiful tomatoes. Pop them right in. Now I have some shallots. Again, I am using everything, including all of these roots. No problem at all. Now it's nice to balance out our flavors. We've got some lovely sweet flavors in there with the capsicum, the tomato. We've got our creaminess in the beans and in the coconut milk. We're gonna add a little bit more zestiness now for our sour component. So I'm just gonna squeeze this straight into the Vitamix, the juice, because if a couple of seeds get in, it's okay. Squeeze as much as you can out. That was actually a really juicy lemon, so I might just leave that at half. But if they're quite dry, you put the full thing in. So I've got 2 cloves of garlic, again, just leaving all the skin on there. Now I've got some spice. So this is the final flavor combination we need. So I've got 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. And then I'm just gonna end with some herbed salt. So that's gonna help bring out our flavors even more. And just a tiny bit of pepper. We've already got the chili in there for the spice. So last we have to lock our lid into place, get these roots in. They're wanting to come out. So what we do, we line up the clips with just this bracket here. Lock that into place. Now, as I said, we're using our pre-programmed setting today. So I've got the soup setting for 5 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm gonna press start. Amazing. That is so quick. As you can see, I've tidied everything up. We're good to go. We're ready to eat. I'm gonna give it a try straight out of here. But that is 2 liters of soup. That is so good. That's a couple of nights of dinner or feeding the whole family. Let's give it a try. That is so yummy. I really think that is such a beautiful balance. I think I've nailed it. I really hope you try it. I hope you love it. Please let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below. Happy blending. I nailed it.